Hello friends, in this video we will make a new infographic template. So file, new, and we will select anyone, like I will select this one, and infographic template. Now background I will change, so I will create something like with same size, a rectangle. Outline we will remove, and something like this one we will apply, and then we will lock this one from object and lock selection. Now this will not move. Now we will create one rounded rectangle like this one, and we will apply like white color, and next we will create something like with pen tool, and I will use like first we will deselect and select no color. Now select pen tool and click here, then click here, then path like this, and then this one or something like here. Then we will move like this one, and then click here, and then create like this. Now for timing we will apply some color to this shape, and we will make it something like big, this one. Now we will make duplicate for these, like select both of them, press and hold Alt, and like this one, then Control D, one more, and one we will make here, and one we will make here. Or we will right click, transform, reflect, and we can reflect them like this. And now we will apply to these different patterns or gradients if you want. So we will go to Windows, and I will select brushes. Then in brushes, like we will open not brushes, we will open graphic styles. And in graphic styles we have something like illuminate styles. So we will apply to them like this one, like this, and this one, and this one, and this. You can see how they are looking. Now we will type numbers, so 0, 1, and then this, and move this here, and font, if you want to change, you can change. should be in center. So first select this, then press and hold shift and select this, then press and hold alt and select this, and then in align apply this one. Change the color to white, and then move this one from here to there. Add this one is now 2, and also move this one here like 3, and also move this 3 here. Press and hold alt so it will be duplicate. So this one 4, and the last one is like this. That one is 5. Now as a text we will write here. So for text we will first click this, and this is the title like here, and then a box we will create. For box we will make something like this, and we will make like small size something like this type, fill with placeholder text. And then if you want like justify, so window, and so if you want to make justify window, and for example here you can see type, and then paragraph, and make it justify from here, and select both of them, Control G, group. Now select this, press and hold shift and select this, and then vertical align. So same thing we will move from here to there, and then Control D, and it should be in center, vertical align like this. And now we will move this one from here to there, and then transform, reflect, no, this one, this time Control Shift G, and this one we will move here, and same we will move them here in center. And assets, if you want to add, so we will use window, and symbol library like web buttons, and I will choose like this one is here, and then this should be center like this. So align something like this, it's already in center. Then this one, it should be also in center, and then this one, and then for here we will use something like this, and the last one we will use this one, and this one also in center. So you can see it's looking very beautiful. So easily we can create infographic template like this. And then if you want something like, if you want to connect them with arrows, so window, brushes, an open brush library like arrow, so arrow special like this one, and we can use like this one, like this, and move like this, and we can rotate something like this, and then we can make something like this, and we will rotate like this, and then we will create another like this and another like this. And assets are there, numbers are there, text is there, and some arrows we have used. And here the title, infographic template, and this one is here. Then I will use like calibri bold, and the color is white. This one is here, and for example like this, it's okay. And then if you want to use like a line, we can use something like this, infographic template. Yes, looks good. And also we can use something like this here, and this time it will be like some, and this one will be here. So you can see something like this we have created. So it looks perfect. You can see like full screen. So infographic template is ready. Thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe my channel.